Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. So here's a quick way to fix proximity sensor not working problem on your Poco C85x. No complicated steps, it's a simple method that works. Follow what's shown on your screen and you're done. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more important tech tips. Let's start.